Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will solve some of the numericals based on projectile. So the first question is, a projectile is fired upwards at an angle 30 degree with a velocity of 40 meter per second. Calculate time taken by the projectile to reach the ground after the instant of firing. So here we consider the projectile is fired with the velocity 40 meter per second that is given in the question, and this projection is considered to be at an angle of 30 degree from the ground surface. So what we have to calculate here? We have to calculate the time taken by the projectile to reach the ground. So that is T. So alpha is equal to 30 degree, which is given in the question, u equal to 40 meter per second. Time of flight we have to calculate. So time of flight is equal to 2u sin alpha by g. U is 40, alpha is 30 degree, and the value of g, that is the standard value, 9.81. So after solving this, we get the final value of the time of flight, that is 4.08 second. Next question. A bullet is fired with a velocity of 100 meter per second at an angle of 45 degree with the horizontal. How high the bullet will rise? So here, according to the question, the velocity of projection, that is u, is given 100 meter per second, and the angle of projection is given, that is 45 degree. So u equal to 100 meter per second, alpha equal to 45 degree. So the bullet is fired. So bullet is the projectile. So the projectile, or you can say the bullet, is fired with this velocity at an angle 45 degree, and that will reach to this destination. So how we have to find out how high the bullet will rise. It means the maximum height that we are going to calculate. So that is h equal to u square sin square alpha by 2g. So u is 100 square into sin square 45 degree by 2 into 9.81. So after solving this, we get the final value of the maximum height, that is 254.84 meter. Coming to the next question. A motor fires a projectile across a level field so that the range is maximum and equal to 900 meter. Find the time of flight. So in this question, what is the given data? That is range r is given, that is equal to 900 meter. So range is, that is the horizontal distance covered by the projectile to reach the destination. So this is the, if we consider this is the point of projection, this is the point of projection, and this is the destination point. So this is the horizontal distance, or you can say the range. That is, so here in this question, the condition is given that the range is maximum. So the range is maximum and the value of range is given, that is equal to 900 meter. So r maximum equal to 900 meter. And so we know that when the range is maximum, the angle of projection, that is alpha, is equal to 45 degree. That earlier we discussed in the previous lecture. So if we consider alpha to be, that is 45 degree, so r is equal to, we know that r is equal to u square sin 2 alpha by g. So if we consider the maximum case, so for maximum case the angle alpha is equal to 45 degree. So this sin 2 alpha is equal to 1. So it means the r maximum is equal to u square by g. So r maximum is u square by g, and this u square by g is equal to 900. So u is equal to root over of 900 into 9.81. So this is the value of u, or you can say this is the value of This is the value of velocity of projection. So this is not given in the question. So this we have to calculate by considering the data R maximum equal to 900, because R maximum is equal to U square by G. So time of flight we have to find out. So time of flight, that is equal to 2U sin alpha by G. So angle alpha is not given in the question, but in the question the condition is given that the range is maximum. So when the range or when the horizontal range is maximum, when the angle alpha is equal to 45 degree. So that we know. So we substitute directly the angle alpha to be 45 here. So 2 into 93.96, that is the velocity of projection. 93.96 into sine 45 degree by 9.81, and after solving this we get the final value of the time of flight is equal to 13.55 seconds. Thank you for watching the video.